I put this Predator engine on this weed eater. Since it don't have the blades, it doesn't have a brake. This just disconnects the belt drive. So I had to install kill switch. That's just a two wire button, push button. One wire I put on this lead right here on the coil pack. You take these 3 10s off up top. Take the 3 10s off. Your coil pack's under there. Runs to your spark plug. From here to the switch, to the ground anywhere. I put mine on the top of the muffler. Alright, so this is what I had under the fan on the Predator engine. You got your coil pack, and it normally has this wire hooked up from here that runs to the brake. All you have to do to kill the engine is touch this wire coming from the coil pack to any ground on the engine. So you hook it up to this switch. The other end of the switch you hook up to the ground, and you push the button, it kills the engine. You can put one of these switches on, just a simple on off, but that allows you to leave the kill switch on, and it can also get confusing because you have to have it off for the engine to run. So that's why I like just the momentary push button switch. Thanks for watching.